this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I'm going to be doing a clean with me, and so in my clean with me I'm going to be featuring this cordless hand vacuum. And so this item was sent to me by a company by the name of Hosmile. I will have all their details in my description box down below. So let me show you guys what I have here. Now, this is a cord-free, hassle-free power suction. And it's really pretty lightweight, guys. It's not very heavy at all. Let me bring you in a bit closer. Okay, so now you can see the product better. So let's open this up. So this is a little instruction booklet for it. And it says Hosmile handhold cord-free vacuum. So that's that. I'll be checking this out. Oh, here's a little note that says thank you. And so let's see. These are instructions about the product. Let's see here. Okay, it says our friendly customer service team, support team is available for you 24/7. So that's good to know. So have a little card there. I'll read this later. So let's see what's all in here. And guys, I'm going to have my husband put this together for me, because this is something that you can mount on the wall. I'm not sure if I'll do that just yet because I don't know where I will mount it, but that is a possibility. So this is the canister here. Let's see here. That's her head. You can see that there. Okay. And oh, this is the wall mount piece. So this is the wall mount piece there. So that's convenient. Here's a few attachments that comes along with it. So you can clean like in your corners, baseboards, in your sofa seat corners, things like that. And then this is another one. That's that. And then this is the arm. Might be able to put this together myself. Let's see here. Yeah, this is pretty easy. There we go. That's in place. Now we'll put the hand attachment on there. But I will say what's left in the box is another attachment brush and the power cord. That's that. Okay, so let's see if I can put this on. You hear that? It started already, so let me stop it. It can be used hands-free or with the attachment. So that's pretty nifty, and you guys can hear it. It wasn't very loud, but I'm going to just go ahead and attach this. Okay, clicked into place, and now we're all set. So this is where your canister that you will empty after you've done cleaning. And so, yeah, let's get started. Okay guys, before we start, I wanted to also show you where you plug the power cord in. You plug it in right here like that, and then just plug it into the wall. So yeah, really simple and easy. This is really very user friendly. To remove this, you just press the knob like that on top, and there you go. So, and then to take off the stick attachment, then you just press this purple button here and pull it off. Just like that. So yeah, really simple, easy to put together. So let's use it. Okay guys, as you can see, the vacuum works awesome. It picked up all of this, you guys can see that, from my floors. So you guys from the camera probably couldn't see all that on the floor, but it was, and this little guy picked it all up. So cool. It's very lightweight and easy to maneuver. It has like a drive feature, so it really kind of goes on its own. You're just kind of guiding it along. So yeah, got all that from my floors. And then to clean it, you just open the little latch here at the bottom over your trash can and dump it out. Just like that, open the lid, dump out the trash. That is it. And now it's ready for round 2. Guys, okay, so I wanted to explain one thing, that this video is going to probably appear a little bit out of sync or out of order because I actually filmed my intro after I'd already cleaned my kitchen. So you'll probably see me vacuum the kitchen before I actually go into the cleaning portion. So I just wanted to let you guys know that was a little mistake on my part, but it's all good. It's still, everything works out. So I wanted you guys to see the vacuum and how I use it, but I cleaned up my kitchen first, which is how I normally do things. I would clean the kitchen and then do the floors last. So you're gonna see me do the floors first and then clean the kitchen. So anyway, I just wanted to tell you guys that. So let's get into the cleaning.